Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Buniquedoll, and today I have a DIY video for you guys. I know it's been like forever since I've made a DIY video, but today I really wanted to make this beautiful vase. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So this is what you'll need: acrylic water kit. You can buy this at Walmart for $7. And this is the fake water that you guys see in most of the flower arrangements. And then I also bought my flowers at Walmart for like $1.50. Pretty cheap. I love these kind of flowers, guys. And then you'll also need some wire cutters. And of course, your vase of choice. So I'm going to start off by measuring my flowers and seeing how tall I want them to be. So I'm going to put them like this in the vase and kind of like play with them a little bit and rearrange them to the way I want them to be. Okay guys, so I think I know how tall I want them to be. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut them all. All done. So now I'm gonna get the acrylic water prepared. And guys, these steps are written on the back of the box. They are pretty self-explanatory, super easy to follow. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. First, we are going to dump these two liquids into this little plastic container. Now we're going to stir the liquid until it's completely clear. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to pour it in the vase, and I'm going to be really careful not to splash the sides of the vase. So yeah. So I ended up purchasing 4 of these little fake water kits just because my vase was kind of big and I wanted more water. So if your vase is kind of small, then you guys are probably going to be good with just 2 kits. But since mine was kind of big and I wanted more water, I had to purchase 4. So you have between 24 to 48 hours until the acrylic water starts getting hard. So you do have some time to readjust your flower stems the way you want them. This is the way I want mine. So yeah, this is the final product. What do you guys think? I honestly love it. I think it looks really clean, really classy. So yeah, I am in love with it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And also follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat at Buniquedoll. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.